Here I just want to say that your today's homework is complete this question answer and show me on Tino app. Okay, this is your homework. Now today we will discuss about topic 2, managing headers. Okay, a header is a portion that appears at the top of the page. It may include text or graphics. It is placed in a special wrapped off part of the page where special text like name of the school, logo, page number, document title, and the name of the person, etc. can be placed. Okay, to insert a header you need to follow these steps. Okay, here are the steps given here for putting the or inserting a header into our document. So take out your book and page number 111. The first step is, firstly we have to click the insert tab, and in insert tab we can choose the header and footer group, and here you can see that a drop down menu will show up displaying various types of header option. Okay, you can select any of these option. And step 3 is, the design tab appear on the ribbon and the header area appears in the document. Okay, the design will appear on the ribbon and the header area appear in the document. Okay, here you can notice that you can now type the desired information into the header. Once you have entered, click the close header and footer. Okay, and in the design tab press the ESC key. Okay, when you press the ESC key, your header and footer design will applied. Okay, and here you can see that setting header for a document web page is given here. Once you close the header, it will still be visible but will remain locked. We will now not eligible to change the setting of this header or this document. Okay, editing a header. Here are the steps to edit a header. Okay, firstly we have to click the insert key, then header and footer group. We choose the header and header option and then edit header. Okay, second, then this type of interface will open, and the second step is the header area will activated. You can edit or modify the header now. Okay, and this type of windows will appear on our screen. Okay, edit header by double clicking on it. When we double click on it, our header will be edited. Okay, and step 3 is, you can use the command button of the design tab for special item. Here are some of the useful special terms that can be inserted into a header. Okay, page number, choose the page number and choose a page number format from available list. These are the some basic feature or basic command which is given in our document. Okay, so you can read this topic carefully. Now, adding an automatic page number. How we can add in our document automatic page number? Word can automatically number your pages. Okay, in addition to this, it also lets you place the page number anywhere on the page in different format. Okay, here are steps to add page number. First step is, click the insert tab. In the header and footer group, click the page number button. Okay, and then drop down menu will appear, and then it shows the page number style appear. Okay, it shows the page number style, and these are the options given here: top of page, bottom of page, page margin, current position, everything is given here. Okay, select a page numbering style from the list. the number will be inserted in the document at the specific place. Okay, and your page number or your page is added in your document. Okay, in a very simple way. Formatting page number. Here are the steps to format page number. Okay, click the insert tab under the header and footer, choose the page number and page format number. Okay, and these are the number format 1 2 3 4 5 etc is given here. It will increases. Okay, and then the page number format dialog box appear. This type of dialog box will appear, and select the page number format in the page number format box. Here we have to select the page number. Okay, and click the start at radio button. Okay, in the page numbering section, and type of the beginning page number in the box. Okay, these are the start it. Click on the start radio button, and then you have to click the OK button, and then you when you click the OK button, your page will be formatted. Okay student, so here your topic 2 is finished. So you can also make this page numbers exercise. Okay, this is your classwork of 6 10 20. Okay, this is your classwork from here to there. Okay, and topic 3 will be discussed in your next video.